Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies easy full guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Cream 1 cup butter and 1 cup sugar until light, then add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Mix in 1/2 cups flour and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder until dough forms. Chill for 30 minutes, then roll, cut, and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Start by sifting flour and measuring carefully to keep the dough light. Use softened butter, not melted, for a tender crumb. If dough feels sticky, chill it wrapped in plastic for 30 minutes, which makes rolling simpler. Roll between 2 sheets of parchment to prevent sticking and ensure uniform thickness. Cut shapes, transfer with a spatula, and chill the cut cookies briefly before baking for best edges and minimal spreading. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your kitchen and keeps your recipes hands-free, which I find super useful while baking. It fits any counter and sounds great for kitchen playlists. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For easy decorating, thin royal icing to flood consistency and outline with a slightly thicker mix. Fill shapes using a squeeze bottle or piping bag for controlled coverage. Add sprinkles immediately if you want them to stick to the wet icing. Let the base layer dry until tacky before piping details so lines stay sharp. Store decorated cookies in a single layer until fully set to preserve decorations and avoid sticking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.